5 of the most well-regarded banking certificates in the finance industry. Whether you're already working in the banking industry or not, having any of these certifications will help increase your earning power, your skills, and your reputation. However, a lot of these certifications require a certain number of years of experience in the industry as a prerequisite. Number 5, Chartered Financial Consultant. The exam cost is $925 and the pass rate is between 60 and 65%. With it, you can help someone with tax or retirement planning, wealth management, and more. Number 4, Financial Risk Manager. The exam costs $2,000 and the pass rate is between 40 to 50%. It specializes in assessing risk for major banks, insurance companies, accounting firms, and asset management firms. Number 3, Certified Public Accountant. It costs $3,000 and the pass rate is 50%. You can practice as an accountant and you can also do auditing, financial planning, and compliance. 2, Certified Financial Planner. It costs $925 and the pass rate is 64%. You can help individuals manage their finances, investments, retirement, education, and retirement planning. Number 1, Chartered Financial Analyst. It usually costs between $4,000 to $5,000 and the pass rate is below 20%. It's known as one of the harder but more well-regarded certifications. It takes 3 years and 4 levels to pass. It demonstrates an advanced knowledge of securities, investments, equity research, portfolio management, and economics.